Hi, it's Kozue. My Biutee stamping set from Amazon just arrived, so let's take a look inside. The box is surprisingly heavy. There's a stamper in here, and 15 square plates. Each one is 6 cm by 6 cm. It also comes with 2 scrapers. They even have patterns on them, so you can actually use the scrapers as stamping plates too. This set even comes with a case. Wait, how does this system work? I thought this part would snap open like a button, but oh, it doesn't. I see. So that's how it works. Oh, so you can store the plates like this. Each pocket has a front and a back, so you can fit 2 plates in one slot. It comes with a manual. The included stamper is pretty bouncy. It can cover the thumb too, as long as the nail is about this length. It's super clear, so you can really see what you're stamping. Whenever I get a new stamper, I always rub it lightly with a makeup sponge. That helps it pick up better. But if you scrub it like crazy, the clear stamper will turn cloudy. So just a little rub is enough. Okay, let's look at the plates. Personally, I don't use butterfly designs very often, but they look amazing on the thumb or big toe. Since this one also has flowers, you could make the other fingers flower focused to match. Another butterfly plate. There are some pretty unique butterfly patterns here too. My favorite, plaid patterns. I love using a plaid design as a background and then stamping a completely different design on top. Flowers. For a fun pop style nail look, stamping this tulip on the middle finger would be super cute. And I really love the single rose too. More flowers again. This one could totally look like lace, so pretty. Or even like a retro wallpaper nail, whatever that means. And this flower would be perfect for a trip to Okinawa or Hawaii. I also love designs that sit in the bottom right corner like this. Summer vibes, resort vibes. These playful designs are perfect for a foot nail set. And the starfish would be super cute as a little accent. I can honestly say I chose this whole set because of this plate. The one I'm most excited to use is this pineapple design. I love pineapple designs and I love pineapples as food too. Feathers. They are dream catchers and what they call boho arrows too. It's very much a Native American style design. This plate would be perfect for a grown-up resort style nail look. And it even has autumn leaves, maple and ginkgo too. This design is one of my absolute favorites. A flower plate. I spotted Okinawa and Hawaii right here and here. This one would be great for kids' nails. And since I love logo-style designs, I'd probably use these ones right here. This one feels a bit kids-friendly too. Oh, there's a hedgehog, so cute. And the squirrel is adorable as well. It feels endlessly cosmic, like we're about to encounter something unknown. Wait, what? There's a whale right here. A sea themes plate. There's a pineapple, love that. I'm using this one today for sure. And I really like the seahorse and the logo in the center too. The final plate is all about sports. The World Cup has passed, but this is great. But it's great for an Olympic year. And this sports drink motif really hits the spot for me. Before using the plate, you peel off the blue protective film. I'm doing my nails with polish today. I wipe everything with ethanol first, then apply the base coat. I'm using OPI's kind of legendary base coat, Jailbreak 1. It's serum-induced and it looks a bit pearly. For the color polishes, I'm using Playful's O2 Mimosa and Ollie's white polish. Here's how it looks with one coat. And this is how it turned out with two coats. Time to stamp. I'm mainly using what came in today's set. This is Ollie's white polish. Since it's not a stamping polish, it won't show up super clearly. When you look at it like this, it actually seems to show up pretty well. I'm removing this monstera. I clean the plate with remover and ethanol. Then stamp just the monstera using Cat's green. I'm stamping this green monstera right over the spot where I removed the white one earlier. I'm stamping the pineapples on my ring finger. When I stamp over the whole nail, the square stamper is easier to use. Oh, it's so cute! Wow, after stamping, it's still super cute. Now I want the letters to be really clear, so I'm stamping with the stamping polish I bought in Hawaii a few years ago. When you compare the pineapples on my ring finger with the letter stamping, you can really see the difference in color payoff. I'm stamping the pineapples in green. When you brush too hard, it can melt the green polish underneath, so I place the yellow very lightly, almost just tapping it on. Let it dry a little. Now I'm stamping over the letters I stamped earlier. Oh, looks pretty successful. The yellow from the pineapple is bleeding out a bit, but it's still totally within the acceptable range. I'm applying a top coat that doesn't bead up on the stamper. After brushing it on, I let it dry for about 20 seconds. Then I stamp it onto the nail with the stamp design. This creates a protective layer, so when I apply top coat later, the design won't smear. About the size that fits a nail. For the other fingers, I do the same thing. I brush a top coat onto the stamper in roughly the size of the nail, wait about 20 seconds, and then stamp it onto the nail. I put top coat on my index finger and added 2 stones. I finished by applying 2 layers of top coat. Okay, 2 coats are done, all finished. I kept the right hand simple for speed without changing the colors. Since I used the white stamping polish on the right hand, it really pops. I also used stamping polish for the pineapples on my ring finger on the right hand. I think I prefer the left hand. The softer color payoff looks nicer to me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!